Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of Standard 1 and we are going to learn mathematics. So, let's begin our class with beautiful thought. Thought for the day is: learning starts with failure. The first failure is the beginning of education. Very meaningful thought. What does it tell? That learning starts with failure. So, if you become fail anyhow in your life, don't stop your journey. Continue your journey towards your success, because the first failure is the beginning of your education. The way you learn, how you improve yourself. Okay, so best of luck for your bright future, my dear students. You all are welcome to the new session of learning mathematics, in which our current topic is chapter number 5, numbers up to 100. Before I start reciting learning objectives for today, let's take feeling of live class. Okay, sit straight. As I say you oftenly in the classroom, make your back straight. Take a book and pencil in your hand. As I explain and recite, you have to copy it in your book. Look, my dear students, in school we are having blackboard, green board or whiteboard. When here we have a colorful board. Look, this is the colorful board. Okay, so with the help of this board, I will guide you, I will detect and explain, and you have to copy it in your book. Okay, so learning objectives for today are revision. First, we will make a quick revision of previous lecture. Think in your mind what we have learnt in previous lecture. Okay, then we will learn about decreasing order, and we will make practice regarding the same with the help of different exercises. Then we will read and write table of 5. Okay, so you all are ready, my dear? Let's start. First, we will make a revision, in which we will make practice of arrange the numbers in increasing order. First of all, let's know what is increasing order. What is the meaning of increasing order, or how can we write the numbers in the form of increasing order? Let's see. Increasing order means to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Increasing order means to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Let's see how can we do that. Look, here we have arranged the number 1 to 4 in order of smallest to biggest. On the first step, there stands 1. Going upstairs, there is number 2, 3, and at the top of their staircase, there is number 4. This is the way how we arrange the numbers in ascending or increasing order. Look, to arrange the number in increasing order is just like going upstairs by staircase. Okay, we have to move step by step. Now we are going to make practice of exercise arrange the numbers in increasing order. Now get ready with your book. Write this heading in your book with a very good handwriting. I am waiting for a few seconds so that you can copy this heading in your book. After writing this heading, you have to leave one line and then start the exercise. Completed? Okay, let's begin. Now write these numbers with very beautiful handwriting. I want your book very neat and clean. Okay, write number 27, 13, 94 and 86. Completed? Now what should we do? We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay. How can we arrange the numbers in ascending order? So keep one thing in your mind while arranging the numbers in ascending order. First of all, you have to find the smallest number among the given numbers. By observing this pattern, we can say that number 13 is the smallest among all these numbers. We have to write first number 13. Look, here I have drawn the staircase so that you can understand how can we move upstairs one by one. First, on the first step, we will write number 13, which is smallest among all these numbers. Now look at here carefully. Which number will comes after number 13? It is number 27. So we have to write number 27 on second step. After that, there comes number 86, 86. We have to write it on next step. At the top of the staircase, there will come number 94. Okay? You should not need to draw the staircase. You can draw a small box, or without drawing the box, you can write these numbers. First number 13, then 27, 86 and 94. Okay? Look, here we have write these numbers in the form of ascending order. Smallest to biggest. Leave one line and write these numbers in a new line. 68, 87, 91 and 40. Don't forget to make punctuation. The comma, full stop, they all are called punctuation. It is very important while writing, my dear students. So while you writing these numbers, put the punctuation properly and write with a very good handwriting. Okay, completed. Now look at there. Which number is the smallest among all these numbers, my dear? What do you say? It is number 4040. So on the first step there will come number 40. I am again repeating that you don't need to draw this staircase. You can write in a single line, but you have to write with me, so that you can understand well, as we are doing in our classroom, that ma'am is writing on the board and you all are copying it in your book. Okay? Now look at the board, my dear. After 40 there comes number 68. Write it on the next step. After 68 there comes 87. After 87 the biggest number among all is 91. So this is the way we can arrange the numbers in ascending order, smallest to biggest. Have you completed this work in your book? Leave one line and write a new number. Now look, which numbers are there? There is a 21, 27, 25 and 20. Okay? Have you completed this? Now let's see how can we arrange these numbers in the form of ascending number. Look at that. Number 20 is the smallest among all that numbers. So first of all we will write number 20. You have to put comma in your book. Okay? After that, if you observe this pattern, we can say that number 21 will come next. After that, there will come number 25. And at the end, the biggest number, the greatest number among all is 27. So, this was the arrangement of ascending order or increasing order. I will repeat, increasing order and ascending order, they both are same. Now let's see what we are going to learn today. Decreasing order or descending order. What is decreasing order? What is the meaning of decreasing order or descending order? Or how can we arrange the numbers in the form of decreasing order or descending order? Let's see. To arrange the numbers biggest to smallest is called decreasing or descending order. I repeat this definition. You all have to understand the topic. To arrange the numbers biggest to smallest. How to arrange? Biggest to smallest is called decreasing or descending order. Let's see with an example. Look at here. Here we have arranged the numbers in the form of largest to smallest. Like we are coming down from upstairs. Okay? We are using staircase and coming down. First of all we have to write the biggest number. Then smaller, and at last we have to write the smallest among all the given number. This arrangement is called descending order or decreasing order. Look, here this boy is coming down with the help of number staircase. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. The arrangement of descending order. Now get ready. Write this heading in your notebook. Rearrange the numbers in decreasing order. Rearrange the numbers in decreasing order. Completed. After writing the heading, leave one line and write the numbers with me. Here we have number 29, 37, 39 and 21. What we are going to do right now? Right now we are going to arrange this number in decreasing or descending order. And how can we arrange these numbers in descending order? First of all, we have to write the biggest or largest number among all the given numbers. Now look at here, which is the biggest number? It is number 39. So first of all, we have to write number 39. Then 37. Then 29. And at last we have to write the smallest number among all, which is 21. This is the form of descending order, biggest to smallest. Have you completed this? Now write the new number in a new line. Now observe these numbers. Find out which number is the biggest. We have to write first number which is biggest among all the given numbers. So, what do you say? Have you observed these numbers carefully? Look at here, number 59 is the biggest among all. So, first of all, we have to write number 59. Then there comes number 55. You have to write first number 59, then put a comma, then write number 55. Now, on the other step, there will come number 52. And as you have seen that number 43 is the smallest among all, so it will come at last. So this is the way how can we arrange the numbers in the form of a descending order or decreasing order. Have you completed this in your book? Now leave one line and write new number in a new line. Okay? Write down these numbers carefully in your book. 75, 65, 56 and 57. Don't forget to put punctuation in your book. My dear students? Have you completed this? Now look at the board. Sit straight everybody. Look at the board. And think in your mind which number is the biggest among all these numbers. Is it 75, 65, 56 or 57? What do you say? Which number should we write first? After observing these numbers, we can say that number 75 is the biggest among all these numbers. So, we have to write number 75 first. After 75, put comma. Completed. Now see, which number will come next? It is number 65. Write down in your notebook. Now put comma. Now there will come number 57. And at last, the smallest number among all the numbers is number 56. So, this arrangement from biggest to smallest is called decreasing order or descending order. Completed. Now leave one line and write new numbers. 67, 60, 65, 63. Completed, my dear students? Now look at the board and tell me which number is the biggest among all. Think in your mind. Is it 65, 67, 60 or 63? By observing these numbers, we can say that 67 is the biggest among all these numbers. So first we have to write number 67. You have to write in a single line, huh? You don't need to make these chairs. This is for understanding only, okay? After 67, you have to put a small comma. Now see, which number will come next? Which is the smaller than 67? It is number 65. Okay? Now, put a small comma there. Now think in your mind, which number will come next? Which is the smaller than 65? It is number 63. Write down number 63. Now see, which is the smallest among all these numbers? It is number 6060. Write down. So, look at the board, my dear students. Here we have arranged these numbers in the form of biggest to smallest. While arranging the numbers in the form of descending order or decreasing order, first of all we have to find the biggest number among all the given numbers. Then we have to find the smaller number than biggest, then smaller than that number, and at last we have to find out the smallest number among all the given numbers. Okay, my dear? So this was the explanation as well as exercise of ascending order and descending order of numbers, or increasing order and decreasing order of numbers. Look at here, which picture is this? What does it tell? This is ascending or increasing, and this is descending or decreasing order. These are the smaller number to bigger number, and in decreasing order, biggest to smallest, going upstairs and coming down on a staircase. This was the simple explanation of ascending and descending or increasing and decreasing order. Let's see your favorite picture, ice cream cone. But look at there present some numbers also. This is ascending. We are coming smallest to biggest, 1, 2 and 3. And this is the example of descending or decreasing order, from number 3, 2 and 1. I hope you all understand the concept well, and one more hope is present in mind, that you all have written this in your notebook, huh? So you want to write something more? Yes? Then think in your mind, which time is it now? Yes, it is the time to reciting the table. Get ready, make your back straight, hold the book in your hand. Which table we are going to read and write today? I told you before. If you don't remember, let me explain. Table of 5. Write the heading in your book, table of 5. With the help of board, you have to read and write the table in your notebook. So, you all are ready, my dear students? Let's begin. Five ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Completed. Are you enjoying to reciting the tables? Very good. So, it is the time to take the homework. What is the homework for today? Note down the homework in your book. Rearrange in decreasing order one time in your fair book. Today we understand and make practice of decreasing order. The same you have to write in your maths fair book. Definitely I will send you in WhatsApp group this exercise so you can copy it easily, but make sure that your handwritings must be good, and as well as you have to write the heading, the question number, the heading which I am writing here. Look, rearrange in decreasing order. This will be the heading which you have to write with a very good handwriting in your maths fair book. Okay, my dear students. So, what you have to do now? You have to stay at your home, complete each and every fair book, complete homework. Stay safe, my dear students. Stay happy. Take care of yourself. In next lecture, we will meet with some new exercise, new interesting topic. Till then, bye-bye.